in the box office is what everyone is excited about. It's the Lion King remake, and it's got a massive financial support system. Trust me, it's racked up more than $500 million US. Yeah, you heard me, billion with a B, around the world in the first few days of its release. But the Washington Post is not impressed. I tell them I never want to read this because I'm like, you're dissing up my show. They said, and I quote, they said, because The Lion King is exactly what we thought it was, there's not much point in reviewing it or decrying it. The only thing better about the new Lion King is the hyenas. The voice work on the hyenas is far superior to the voice work in the rest of the film. Yeah, I've got to say that for myself. The change in the emphasis of the hyenas from humor to horror helps to highlight the subtext of The Lion King. Alright, so what they're saying is that it didn't get any worse. It was already great, but the only thing better than what it was is the hyenas. So they're not exactly saying that it was a bad thing. They're just saying that the only improvement on it was the hyenas.
Yeah, but you know why they wrote that?
Why?
Because they wanted to get the attention of people. Because if you can't write anything good about it, you write something bad.
But them never really write nothing bad.
I mean, they say it hasn't improved. So they're saying to people, you know, this is better than what was there before. So there's no sense of going to watch it.
Me, I can watch it either way, so I don't know what I'm trying to say.
I need to watch it as well, but I'm not sure when.
Well, I don't even think that we have the kind of bomb rush at the cinemas that most places would have. So I think you should go check it before it's done.
Yeah, I'll probably go watch one of my Portmore.
Yeah, my ears, so they're more expensive though, that's the thing.
They have decliner seats.
Decliner? Oh, like in foreign? Their seats go back?
The recliner
A lie.
Go all the way back and stretch out.
Oh, yes! I finally experienced one of those in a theater the other day, from the first time, by the way. I had never been in one of those expensive theater seats. So I'm going to go one of the rich people part of foreign the other day. I'm going to sit down in one of them seats there, and by accident, my elbow touched the thing. I'm like, hey, oh, hey, what's happening? Yeah, it was so weird. But yeah, if them have that, me pay fee.
That's all I'm going for.
Me pay fee. Them just need to have some caramel popcorn now and me and Bugs will go.
Man say, I want to go in a decliner seat. I said decliner seat.
All right, what's up next?
Well, what's next is the heat. Yeah. Barbados-based Caribbean Institute for Meteorology and Hydrology is warning the public about the recurrent episodes of heat stress, as it noted that the drought situation is continuing. And in its latest newsletter, Caribbean Climate Outlook, the Institute said that for the period of August to October marks the peak of the Caribbean heat season.
No, sir.
Which runs from May to October and is likely to be warmer than the past 2 years, with several heat waves, possibly in any low-lying areas.
Jesus.
Oh, Jesus, man, I feel the heat already.
Right, I know, right? As you say it, I'm like, whoa.
It said that the main impact would be recurrent episodes of heat stress to vulnerable individuals, small livestock, and
homes. My gosh, I'm that vulnerable individual, okay? That's me. I'm the one who's going to have problems with the heat. How can it possibly get any hotter than it is right now?
It's like the average temperature of the earth is like 38 degrees now.
Come on, man, this is insane. Do you know, though, what this means for us in terms of hurricane season?
Yeah, man.
This means that the hurricane season that we are going to have is going to be tremendously active. You can't necessarily say we're going to have like a humongous hurricane or that we're going to get hit with one, but we're going to have a very active hurricane season.
I was talking to some of the guys from the Met Service, and they said it's going to be active.
Yeah.
They anticipate at least three
major ones.
Yeah.
Boy, so I pray. I don't like when it hurts anybody else, but you know I have to pray specifically for our little country. Yeah. So, you know, let's while we're partying through the summer, think of putting away a little money for that time, eh?
Yeah, and I think we should really start preparations from now.
Start early.
Yeah, especially
put away your water and them.
And not just that, you know, clean the drains.
Yeah, well,
all of those things.
That's really not us.
Yeah, but
let's throw that out to the government, eh?
Yeah, but we should play our part as best as possible.
And stop dirty them up.
Yeah.
Not dirty up Jamaica. Anyway, Reggae Sumfest 2019, while not without its controversial moments, was definitely a showcase of Jamaica's best and brightest reggae and dancehall acts. From Chennai to various patrons of the festival in Catherine Hall were treated to a fantastic once-in-a-lifetime experience. While many sponsors offered new services to the diverse Sumfest audience, one standout was Pepsi, which not only had booth presence, but filled the band changes with high-energy, interactive, life-size games and performances at the deck. No, I never got Sumfest this year because it was so rushed for the show and I had to make sure my head was in a certain place. But my ear said I'm going good.
Yeah, and
Them
even,
campaign shot.
even before Sumfest,
Yeah.
they had this Jamaican
I can. It's the
had
best
baddest thing.
campaign that I've heard
Yeah, man.
in a while
And
from
see,
them.
because them have painting on walls all over
Yeah,
the
man.
place.
It's like murals and stuff.
Yeah.
It's really, really cool. They did a good job with that.
It feels like I'm in Louisiana when I see painting on the walls, and I'm like, this is awesome.
Oh, yes, and they say you did go to school, no?
No, I went to school in Texas,
Texas.
but you know, Mardi Gras.
Sorry, mix up.
Yeah, see, it's close. It's close. It's close. Yeah, so I like to see things like that. I like to see them incorporating our culture.
Jamaica, I can.
I
Jamaica, I can.
believe.
Yeah, it's a really, really cool campaign. So big ups to Pepsi, and we hear say Uno really did a good job down there. So let's see if Uno can keep that going. And I'm a Jamaican and I can. So if you want to throw some money my way, I'll appreciate it. That's it for the trending topics this morning, and let's get into the rest of the show.
Instagram.
Let us know what you think.